What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Got something to check out real quick. Coming in from Kizer, my mountain knives. And I'm pretty sure everybody already got one of these, but just in case, I figured I'd show mine off too. The mini Militaw, the S45BN blade, titanium and jungle wear handle. Pretty excited about this little bad boy. Ever since I've heard about it coming out again, I was like, oh my gosh, I need one. I didn't get I didn't buy one yet, the regular Militaw, but I got the handle one, and man, that thing was awesome, phenomenal. Yeah, so I want to get one of those still, but I went ahead and got this one while it was out, just in case it got sold out. Okay, so we got the best wishes. It's like a Christmas thing. Does that feel like Christmassy to you? Best wishes for you. Little ribbon right there. I'm gonna say it's kind of Christmassy. Got some stickers right here. Those are kind of cool. A little bit of texture right there. My daughter's got, but they're Halloween. Oh, Merry Christmas too, Halloween. Okay, okay. I like that. My daughter's gonna love those. She's probably gonna have those before I know it. All right. Whoa. Got some other stuff in here. Some little floozies, some ribbons. Extra screws. What else did we get? Cleaning cloth and some paper. Yep, cleaning cloth, paper, just probably a little information. We'll leave that there so we don't make a mess. How about that? We'll get it out too. Alright, let's get this put back. Oops, 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 oops. Alright. Okay. Alright, first flick. Let's see how it goes. Okay, that didn't go well. Not at that time either. Come on now. Okay, it's small. Okay, it is really small feeling. And it's definitely, I think, going to take some adjusting. Good Lord. The big one was awesome. I'm telling you, it was big, but it was great. It was fabulous. Okay, so a front flipper works pretty well. I can front flip it. No blade play. Felt like there was, but there's not. But it is definitely small. Like I felt like on the big one, obviously you put your hand right there and you're good to go. And that is still the case actually on this. I'm really surprised by that. As freaking small as this thing is, I'm really surprised I can. Like again, I have like average to medium-ish, smallish hands, whatever, and it actually works. And I can definitely choke up on it, like right here, and feel pretty comfortable too. Obviously, I'm not going to try to get too close to that blade edge right there, but it does feel pretty good in hand. I like that. And who was the designer? Jonathan Styles, that's right. So there's this insignia and stuff right there. Come on, mini Militaw, come on. There you go, S45 vegan. Feels lights you up sharp. Love the jungle wear. I really did like that. I know some people said they didn't like that, and I don't know why. I just kind of, as soon as I saw it, like it kind of popped. I don't know why. Now, if they made like a red one too, I'd probably buy it and it'd be like a Christmas knife, if you know what I mean. Might as well, right? They need to come out with some red lava scales. I'm talking. That's what I'm kind of saying. I'm no good at with the flip on the left hand. Come on, baby. Okay, we almost got it. As you can see, I don't use my left hand for knives at all. Just I can't do them. Oh, that almost got me a little bit. Okay. It is got a nice little frame lock. I don't know what bolster lock does it say. I'll have to look it up. It's pretty smooth for the most part. It's a little loose right there. I don't know. Maybe I need to tighten the detent. Maybe I need to tighten the detent ball up or something. I don't know. Now it's locked in. Try that again. I don't know if you guys can hear that on your side. Maybe it's just the detent ball needs tightened up. Am I crazy? I feel like that's not normal, but I don't know. I could, like I said, just be needed broke in, and it could just need to be a tightened hairball. I'll check that out, and I'll see how the final review out. I'm sure it's not a big deal. They do it pretty well with these knives and taking care of them and make sure they're squared away. Man, it's so small I have problems with it. I want to hit that lock every time I flick it open. That's some of my problem. I'll have to get used to that. Because plus, like, it's such a small knife. Like, I felt like the bigger version, the normal version was just so big. I was like, wow, that's kind of crazy. Great knife. Just, my hands are too small. But not really too small for it. They're just small for it. They still worked just fine. I still freaking loved it. But this thing is almost too small. Front flipper does work fine, though. Now, let's try this. Come on, baby. Oh, shoot. No. That does not work. That does not work. The front flipper, flipping it like that does not work. So, maybe a little KPL or something like that, and maybe checking out that detent ball. See if we get a little action going in on it. But, it's really not bad, though, and it looks great. I love the pot clip, too. Pot clip's great. Looks great. Not reversible, which sucks, but that's alright, though. But I love the blade, though. I thought it's not quite like acid wash or anything like that. It's like a gray stone wash. I love the way the Kizer symbol, like Kizer name, looked on it. I thought it was really good. Really, really freaking like this thing, though. I'm ready to kind of test it out a little more, though, and see what's going on with it a little bit. I'm sure it's nothing too much. I do like the thumb hole, the finger hole. I like how big it is, too. Since it's a smaller knife, that's kind of nice that they got a bigger blade or a bigger hole for it. A bigger hole for it. I just wish that front flipper wasn't so freaking lethal. I don't know. I'm going to check that out, though. I think something may be a little loose. I don't know. No, the blade looks centered. Yeah, the blade looks centered pretty well. No play or anything like that. I don't know. I just feel like maybe I'm crazy. But like I said, it locks up very nice. Very tight. I don't know. I'll check it out, though. Pretty excited about this. I'm probably going to be in my pocket a lot. It's probably going to be my EDC for a while just because I love the Militaw and I was really excited about this. I can't remember what the price was. I can't remember. I'll have to let you know that in the first impressions. But that's all I really got, though. If you guys like the video, just leave a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about it, leave it in the comment section. I'll try to get back to you. Thanks.